In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio spectrum in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clean, reactive visualizer that moves with your music, perfect for reels, shorts, or any clip where you want the sound to stand out. First, open CapCut and import your video. From the home screen, start a new project and select the clip you want to use. Once it loads onto the timeline, give it a quick play to confirm the audio is there and at a comfortable volume, since the spectrum reacts to the sound it hears. If you're using a separate music track, make sure it's already added to the project so the spectrum has something to follow. Next, go to the Stickers panel. You'll find this in the toolbar below the preview. Tap the search bar and type Audio. This filters the options to reactive stickers, including different audio spectrum styles. You'll see choices like bars, rings, waves, and other dynamic shapes. Pick the one that fits your video's mood. Clean bar equalizers work well for minimal edits, while circular rings feel more energetic and modern. After you select a spectrum, it will appear on your timeline and in the preview. Position it where it makes the most sense for your frame, usually near the bottom or a corner, so it doesn't block important visuals. Resize it by dragging the corners and rotate if needed to match your layout. Most spectrum stickers let you adjust color, thickness, glow, or opacity. Use these controls to match your brand colors or the overall look of your clip. Now adjust it to the video. Drag the ends of the sticker layer on the timeline so it covers the exact duration you need. If your video is longer, extend the sticker so it spans the whole section with audio. Play the video and watch how the spectrum reacts. If it seems too subtle, try increasing the size or brightness. If it's overwhelming, reduce the opacity or scale. Make sure your audio isn't muted and that the spectrum layer sits above the footage in the timeline. If the visualizer doesn't react, double check that the audio track is audible and the spectrum is placed over the portion with sound. Preview from start to finish and make small tweaks until the movement matches the energy of your audio. That's all you need to add a polished audio spectrum in CapCut. Apply these same adjustments to any clip and you'll get a clean, professional result every time.